Speaker, sir, the attention of the House is drawn to the serious concern being raised by the people of Goa, particular residents of Murmagaon Taluka, regarding the sharp and unprecedented increase in the newly revised minimum land rates. The revised rates are excessive, unreasonable and unfair and are having a severe adverse effect on the common man. The new rates have been increased in the range of 597% to as high as 2,857% in various areas of Murmagaon Taluka. Such steep hike have placed land ownership far beyond the reach of ordinary citizens, making it extremely difficult for them to purchase land and simultaneously bear the substantial increased stamp duty and registration charges. Further, the revised rate have significant tax implication for both seller and buyer, thereby imposing an additional and heavy financial burden on all parties involved. In view of the above, the government may kindly take the step it proposed to take to review, rationalize, or roll back this excessive increase in order to protect the interest of common men and ensure fairness and affordability in land transactions. Steps the government intend to take in this regard.